I had promised you a tutorial video on as to how we are about to fill the parish data. We are happy that we have the parish website, which is icchurchbgm.org, and this is how our parish website appears. Now, what is most important is the second segment. The second segment has three important subsections, which is the information of the head of the family, individual data, and for religious, which is for priests and nuns only. Now, the head of the family is the most important one for this stage. Now, we will go on filling the details for the head of the family. When we click on the head of the family, we have this particular segment that appears. Now, this is a desktop version. If anyone wants to fill the information on their computers, this is how it appears. I will have one more video which will project as to how the cell phone version appears like. So this is a basic information for the parish head of the family. We have these 12 zones. Now we select to what zone we belong, and then we write as to how many total numbers of family members in the family, how many male, how many female, the correct postal address, and then we move on to the second segment, which is the details of the head of the family. Now the head of the family's name, his phone number, and his date of birth will be added here. There is also a possibility of uploading a picture which is of the family. Then we have the last segment for the head of the family is details of the spouse or the head of the family. Now, in certain cases, the man is the head of the family and the woman or the wife is the spouse. Now, if there is the mother who is the head of the family, in the case when the father is no more, she becomes the head of the family, and here she writes the spouse name but prefix late deceased, and she writes here as male, so is vice versa, and the spouse's profession and the date of birth. Once we click the next, we move on to the second segment, that is the individual data. For now we will restrict only to the heads of the family. The reason is only after all the heads of the families have filled in the details, that is say about like 12 zones and 240 heads of the family, we go to the second segment, that is the individual data. Now, when we click the individual data, the first segment is linking information of the individual data. Now, you have the 12 zones, and in these zones, now there are already people who have begun to fill, and then when you click the particular link that you have from the zone, you will also see that the names of the heads of the family will be appearing, and then you begin to fill in the individual details, that is you are the son, daughter, brother, sister, wife, husband, or whatever is important, and then to the head of the family you write the individual information, your phone number if you have, then click this link wherein you will automatically be giving the consent to join the parish WhatsApp group, the occupation, and here we have the marital status for the children, whether married, unmarried, uh, divorced, widowed, and the birth details and things like that. So this individual information will be filled as many times as we have the members under the head of the family. If there are five members, the five members individually fill this information. Then this is the process that we are going to go about. First, the head of the family, and then the linking information from the individual data. This website also has what we call as a third segment, which speaks about the history of a parish, and then it speaks in a short form the history of the Diocese of Belgaum. And third and the last segment is the segment wherein you can contact us, wherein you can write your name, your last name, your email ID, and whatever you wish to ask. And then this is the parish website, this is the parish email ID and the address. So I request all of you to go into this second segment, which is the filling of the information of the family data. Click the head of the family for now, and then have the information only for the heads of the family to be filled in now and submitted. Only after all the zones have filled in the heads of the family, it will be easier for us to link the individual details. Dear friends, this is a process that we are digitalizing the family records. It will be a process wherein we fill in these informations and consolidate a parish directory. I request your cooperation into this process. And if you have any doubts, you can always consult your PPC member or the youth from your zone, or you may directly contact me so that we may have all the informations put into this domain, and we have the whole detail of our parish information gone into this segment. This website will also help us to have access to all the information about the parish. Both bulletin and the necessary informations will be uploaded on this website. Now this website is a paid website wherein we have created it, and we are the admins of it. And therefore the details on the data which is stored into this is confidential, and it will never go outside this domain. Therefore you don't have to worry about your information, and this is a way that we can collect from here all the details and then prepare a parish directory. I wish all of you a process of filling this information. May God bless all of you, and may God bless our venture into digitalizing the parish information, and finally consolidate the parish directory and family record book. Thank you.